Ever thought your PS5 controller could elevate your PC gaming? Let's make it happen. Imagine the seamless experience of using your favorite PS5 DualSense controller on your PC, bringing the best of both worlds together. Whether you're diving into an intense first-person shooter or exploring vast open-world adventures, the DualSense controller can enhance your gameplay with its advanced haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. First, here's what you need. A PS5 DualSense controller, which is known for its ergonomic design and innovative features. Your PC with Windows 10 or later, ensuring you have the latest updates for optimal performance, and either a USB-C to USB-A cable for a wired connection, or Bluetooth for wireless magic. Got everything? Great. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Cool, let's roll. We'll start with the wired connection, which is straightforward and reliable. For a wired connection, just plug one end of your USB-C cable into the PS5 controller, making sure it's securely connected, and the other into your PC. This method ensures a stable connection with no latency issues. Windows should automatically recognize it. You might see a notification pop up indicating that the device is ready to use. To double-check, go to Control Panel, then Devices and Printers. This is where you can see all the devices connected to your PC. You should see wireless controller listed. If it's there, you're good to go. Easy, right? Now let's move on to the wireless setup for those who prefer a cable-free experience. Now, for those who love going wireless, here's the Bluetooth setup. This method gives you the freedom to move around without being tethered to your PC. Make sure your PC's Bluetooth is on. Head to Settings, then Devices, where you can manage all your Bluetooth connections. Then Bluetooth and other devices, toggle Bluetooth on. This will allow your PC to search for nearby Bluetooth devices. On your PS5 controller, get ready to pair it with your PC. Press and hold the PS button and the Create button simultaneously until the light bar starts flashing. This indicates that the controller is in pairing mode. Back on your PC, click Add Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth from the options and choose Wireless Controller from the list. Your PC will start the pairing process. Click Pair and boom, you're connected. You should see a notification confirming the successful pairing. To optimize for gaming, especially if you're using platforms like Steam, OpenSteam, go to Settings, then Controller, then General Controller Settings. This is where you can customize your controller settings for the best gaming experience. Enable PlayStation configuration support to fine-tune your setup. This feature allows you to map buttons and adjust settings to your liking. For non-Steam games, DS4 Windows can help make the DualSense fully compatible. DS4 Windows is a great tool that emulates an Xbox controller, making it easier to use the DualSense on various games. Encountering issues? Don't worry, troubleshooting is part of the process. Update your PC's Bluetooth drivers if the controller isn't pairing wirelessly. Sometimes, outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues if the controller isn't pairing wirelessly. For wired connections, ensure your USB ports are functioning properly. Try a different USB cable. Not all cables are created equal, and some might not support data transfer. And check if your game supports controller input. Some games might require additional settings adjustments to recognize the controller, and there you have it. Your PS5 DualSense controller is primed to take your PC gaming to the next level. Enjoy the enhanced gameplay and the comfort of your favorite controller. What games are you most excited to play? The possibilities are endless, from action-packed shooters to immersive RPGs. Drop your faves in the comments. If this was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more guides and happy gaming.